Hi. So this is Kahoot, and this is a Kahoot that my former partner for this project made. So I'm not going to mark that as my own. Instead, I'll make a video of me playing it. So first of all, you click play, and then start now. And you have two options. You can have a team with one device in case your students don't have phones like for themselves, or you can use each player's phone. So that's what I'm going to do. So they say get your tablet out or your phone out, and then they have a game pin. So with their device, they should be able to type in the game pin, 207. I'm making my nickname as Abby, so you should see that pop up, maybe. Not yet, but I can press start now. So there's 8 questions to this Kahoot, and usually it'll be more competitive, but unfortunately I'm just playing by myself. So what is a polynomial? And you have these shapes. They look at the screen, and then they look at the shapes that correlate to the screen, and they see the questions on the screen, but they just see the shapes on their phone. So a polynomial is triangle, and that will correlate with the screen. Okay, the next question is, what is a monomial? So again, you have the 3, and then you have the 3 on your phone. And I know that it is indeed triangle. Now you can end the quiz anytime you want if the material gets too hard and it's not your own Kahoot. And that it's under where I'm recording, but it says end quiz in small little letters. So, question 3, what does A equal? So, got A, B, and C, so A would be 1, which is diamond. And then A, B, and C, what does B equal? It would equal 8, which is also diamond. You can also skip the question if it seems too hard for your students. What is a leading coefficient? It is the first term, so we would click circle. And then what does C equal? We've got A, B, and C, so it would be 1, which is triangle. And then you have a binomial with only 2 terms. What would B equal? Well, this still has an x, so it would equal 1, which is triangle. And then this is the final question, 8 out of 8. So it would be like, what does C equal? Well, you've got your A here and your B here, but you have no C. So C would be 0, which is triangle. Alright, so once the game's over, it'll say who won, and how many they got right and how many they didn't get right and the points that they got. And then they have the chance to make feedback. So I would rate this as 5 stars. I did learn something. I do recommend it and I feel happy about it. So that would show up on the screen. And your final results, it would have all your students on this page, but it's just me that's playing. And you can save the results or play it again. And that's Kahoot.